Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create embellishments, especially the DIY carrots, how to create that for your Easter DIYs and your faux fake bakes. So I've been working on this, everybody. Been working on this. This is, turn to see, I can see it, a faux carrot cake that I've been working on. And I'm going to show all of you how to create this carrot right here. A lot of people do a lot of fake bakes, and a lot of people show you how to create the cakes and the layers and different things like that. But there's so much more to creating fake bakes than just the cakes itself. All the details that you see, like my nuts and all of that for my carrot cake itself, all those details, it takes a lot of time, and there's so many different ways that you can create those. So I'm going to show you all how to do that by using Dollar Tree items. So thank you so much for all of you that had tuned in today. I am Tay of Uniquely Tay. I do DIYs, home decor videos, tablescapes, fake bakes. I need to add that to the list, fake bakes, and much more. If you like videos like these, you're in the right place to be. So just stay tuned, sit back, and we'll get right on to this quick and easy DIY. All right, everybody, we're going to get into this DIY. Like I was saying earlier, there's so much that go into fake bakes, fine details, and different little things that we do to make our food look edible. So this is a carrot that I've already completed and done. And it is like, I'm going to say 60% dry. 60% dry. And I've noticed that I've seen people make carrot cakes in the past, and they had used these carrots here from Dollar Tree. These carrots right here. And don't get me wrong, these carrots are cute. They're very cute. But it takes away from the realistic look and approach that you are trying to bring to a fake bake. A fake baker's number one thing is to make their items look as real as possible. So pretty much I wanted my carrots to look like fondant carrots, like carrots that would actually go on a cake that's made with icing and fondant and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and I used all Dollar Tree products minus the paint. So you're going to need some white Model Magic. You are going to also need, okay, you will only need these two colors if you do not have orange Model Magic. That's one color that I do not have. So I know that yellow and red makes orange. So I'm going to make my own orange Model Magic by combining these two. So do not panic if you do not have orange Model Magic, or if you cannot find orange Model Magic. Use what you have. Improvise, combine your red and yellow Model Magic. And that's what I'm getting ready to show you how to do. I pray that everyone is doing great on today. I pray that everyone is having a blessed and prosperous day. I thank God for another day that He has blessed me, that He has woke me up this morning and started me on my way. I'm so grateful to just be here. It's a blessing to be here and to just be in our right mind and be able to, and for me to be able to just share all my creative ideas with all of you. I am so grateful unto God for that. I'm grateful. I'm just thankful. And let me know. All of you already know what I'm going to ask, especially the ones who watch me quite often. What is the weather for today? Tell me what your weather is looking like. Let me know what is going on in your area weather-wise. Right here in my area right now, as of today, it is severely cloudy and stormy. We had a couple of chances of predictions for tornado warnings, and early this morning when I was taking my kids to school, it was raining, and also my mom was telling me that it was lightning and stuff and thundering where she actually works at, and she was telling me to be careful this morning when I go out, when I do whatever I do on today. Just be careful. See, I know you can also notice as I'm mixing this that it still have like a red tint, a red hue. So that means that we're going to have to add more yellow to it. And honestly, it takes more yellow anyway to the red, because this is a very rich red. This red is very red. It's like a red, crayon red. So it takes quite much yellow to get the orange look that you would like, that you desire. So let's drop it down in the comments below. Let me know. Let me know how your weather is. I would love to know. I would love to know. So everybody, this is my first time ever doing a carrot cake. I have been wanting to try to do a carrot cake fake bake for a while. I wanted to do it last year, but at that time, I believe that, yeah, at that time Easter was fastly approaching. Like, it was closer than what it is now, and I was like, I don't think, I'll wait to next year, the Lord's will. And I said, I'll wait to next year, the Lord's will, and that could be something new I can introduce on my channel for my fake bakes. And that's what I did, and I'm so glad I was able to give this a try. I love my turnout of it. I know I show a lot of you how to make cakes a lot on my channel. I've done a slice cake. I've never shown anyone how to make a whole cake. So let me know if y'all would like to see me make a whole cake and show you how to create a whole cake. I've done multiple whole cakes. I think this cake right here is my 4th whole cake I ever done. This is the biggest cake I've done though so far. Right here. This is the biggest cake. But I've done about 4 fake bake cakes so far, and a bunch of different other foods. There's a few that I've actually done videos on, and there's a few that I have not done videos on. Okay. So once you get the desired color of Model Magic that you would like, and I'm just gonna, it looks pretty orange to me. This is, see, it's right up against the carrot, and it's pretty orange. So we're gonna go with that color. Looks pretty good. So I'm gonna put back that little piece of yellow. And with fake bakes, it's just, I am just so intrigued with them. I love them. It's a way that you can actually like just challenge your creativity to me. And I love the fate. I love the fact of being able to challenge my creativity, because I know I'm already a creative person. But the fake bake itself really challenges your creativity. So just take a little size of your Model Magic. I start everything with rolling it into a ball. Start by rolling it into a ball, just like that. Then you would take your hands and you would keep this area right here your thickest area. So you're going to take your finger and rub. That's going to let you know, you see the indentation? That's going to let you know that's your top. Then you're going to bring it slowly down with your fingers. Like that. Bring it slowly down. That's how I do mine. Like this. Then once I get it in a shape like this, I'm going to show you the shape. Roll. Set this down. Just begin to roll. And as you begin to roll, don't put a lot of pressure. Still keep it light, medium pressure. And you will see it start to take the look of like a baby petite carrot. Okay, you see that? That's the look it took. It looks like a little baby petite carrot. So now I'm going to take my hands and I'm going to go down and press the center. Press the center. Press the center. Yep. See that? Now, that's the look that I want. Like that. And I normally just take my hands and smooth down the now I'm going to take scissors. And you see, I'm going to let you see right here, how this one has like a lot of detail. Has the indentions of a real carrot. I used scissors. That's all I did. I used scissors, excuse me. I got some spackle on these scissors because I was using them for my cake. But just use scissors. Take the scissors like this and just take either like this and just put you some indentions in it to give the appearance of a carrot. Carrot has line, carrots have texture. That's what we're giving. We're giving that texture. See? We done gave it its texture. Now, we're going to keep that right there like that. So now the next thing we're going to do is the stems. I gave all my stems a different look to it because you know all carrot stems are different. That one has like a little twist look. There we go, bring it back. This one has a little straight up and down look. Okay. Now you're going to take your white Model Magic. It's not letting me be great, so I'm just going to open it from the top. Take your white Model Magic. Oh, excuse me, bless me. Oh, excuse me. Then we're going to take a little of the white. It doesn't take a lot at all. I'm just going to move this down right here. And take this piece. And I'm going to start off with a ball. I always start off with a ball. It's something I always do. Start off with a ball. Okay, something black up there. Okay, start off as a ball. Then we'll take the center. Smash it down. A circle. Smash it down in a circle like that. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle. There you go. Then I start everything with a ball, so you don't have to do that if you don't want to. That's just what I do. It works for me, so I do what works. I'm going to cut 3 stems, 3 little pieces, right? And pretty much what we're going to do, we're going to just roll like this. Don't try not to roll it too thin, because I have a certain little area that's a little too thin. Okay. Sometimes it don't take 3 whole pieces. Take more like 2. Because you can cut these in half and use them for multiple ones. So right now you have 1 long string like that. So I'm going to take this, cut it in half. Okay. I may not need all of this either. Cut it in half. All right. Now, something that I noticed that was easy for me, instead of like putting individual stems in the carrot, I did mine together. Let me see if I could do that like that. There we go. Okay, here we go. So, this is what I did. I wanted mine to look like a real carrot. So I took my scissors, pressed in the back like that. Be gentle with it as you're pressing. While you're pressing, still don't put too much pressure on the Model Magic itself because it's still wet. So right here in the back, this is what you're looking for. A hole. So you will take your pieces, do it in your liking, in your form. I'm going to crisscross these two pieces and I'm going to add this middle piece. And I want mine to kind of dangle a little bit. Well, I'm going to try not to have it dangle too much. Like that. Here we go. So we're going to stick this right here in the bag. That's what we're looking at. Like that. We're going to stick this piece in the bag. And that's all you're doing is sticking it in the bag. All right. Got it in like that. Because these pieces are going to dangle a little bit. There we go. That's how I want this one to look. So, let's see. Why is it still wet? You're going to make sure it's even. Okay. All right, y'all. All right, that's the top. That's the bottom right there. And you'll paint this part right here. This part right here be painted. All right. Okay. So what you will do is you will use your Kelly Green apple barrel paint. Fine. Y'all can see that. And a fine paintbrush. And I advise you to do it once it dries. Once it gets good and dry, go through, paint this part. Paint the front, back, and the base. And let it dry. It generally takes about 2 or 3 days to actually do that. And once it's completely dry, you can decorate all your fake baits. Decorate all your fake baits. Every single one, you'll be able to decorate each and every one of them. Thank you so much for tuning in to this another episode of Uniquely Tay. I appreciate all that tunes in, that leaves comments, that shows love. I truly, truly appreciate you. And right now, let me give you another view of this carrot right here. And always remember to create, explore, and enjoy. And I'll catch you all in my next video.